The stock market is heading for one of its worst weeks in the past almost 2 months. And a big reason for that is the fiscal situation in Washington and the tariffs. Ever since early April, when President Trump rolled out his big tariff plan, markets have been pretty unsettled by all of this. Uh, they don't like the ideas of tariffs. It could really disrupt supply chains and prices for Americans. Walmart said recently that it's going to have to raise prices on its products, which is something that Walmart does not do lightly at all. So today we had new threats from President Trump to put tariffs on Apple for its iPhones, unless it onshores, if it brings production of iPhones back to the US. This would probably be incredibly expensive and very, very difficult for Apple to do. So it's not clear whether this threat will be made good, but if it does, it means trouble for Apple for this very commonly used product. So this week, the House narrowly passed a budget bill that includes a lot of tax cuts. The bill is very likely to add trillions of dollars to the U.S. government's debt. This could likely make worse a problem that the markets are already feeling quite upset about, which is the U.S. government's decreasing ability to service its debt. It's piling on more and more debt. And currently, the US enjoys this privilege of being able to borrow at good rates from global investors. And the more debt is piled on, then the more difficult this gets for the government, the more the government has to pay out to borrow money. But also, we Americans have to pay more, also us, to borrow money because of the government's higher rates.